Welcome to Fox EOD application. This video I will be talking about features of Fox EOD application. Let's start Fox EOD application using desktop shortcut. Fox EOD applications auto downloads masters and EOD files. Let's have a look on application settings. Go to Fox EOD and click on settings. One setting window will open. Let's see main menu. It contains settings of feature level, desktop saving decision, internet setting, whether to allow menu to close on escape button. Let's check Masters tab. Next is EOD tab, in which we can find date setting of EOD data, adjust RBS setting, adjust dividend setting, adjust expiry setting and pivot type setting. Last tab is miscellaneous tab, which has menu customization and error sending setting. After application setting, we'll see the data downloading part of application. Again, go to menu and select download master files. Download master files window will open. Click on setting tab and do the following settings. Select server to download files. Check the boxes as per your requirement. You can select download on application starting, at every 30 minutes, and on application closing you should select at least one option out of them, to download required file. Select Exchange to download data. After selection of Exchange, apply and go to the download window. Now get file list, select all file, click on download. After completion of downloading, check the logs files in logs. Click on Exchange Timings. In menu, here we can set the start and end timing of exchanges. After exchange timing, there is menu Exchange Calendar, where we can view the exchange holiday. To view corporate actions, go to View RBS Data menu. Select the script and click on Show button. Here we can view the rights, split, and bonus announced in selected script. For FIINDI activity, open menu and click on FIINDI activity menu. It will display the details in window. Now we'll see the desktop saving and loading. Now I am opening 4 charts in tile mode. One can open any menu as per their requirement. Now we will see how save the desktop. In desktop menu, click on Save Desktop, and add require name and click on Save button. Now load the saved desktop. Desktop management allows user to import desktop from another system. Also, one can export existing desktop to share it with other users. Now we are looking into scan part. Open Group Scan to scan the groups where our strategy signals are coming on current time. Here is the processor of group scan creation. Open Group Scan window. Give scan name and click on New Scan button to save scan. Click on Set Group button, select the group. Once your group were loaded, select the time frame on which you wanted to see the scan result. After selection of time frame, load the studies of your strategy. Once you add the study, select the filters for specific signal selection. Save it and click on Scan button to run the scan. Here the result of your strategy. Now double-click on any script from scan list and observe the scan result, on chart. Open script scan. Select any script. Select study to run. It is also shows the result as per group scan. Now select Pair Trading Scan. In Pair Trading Scan we can compare two different groups data, for example two different sectors, industries. Load study for comparison. Result will displayed. According result we can conclude the strategy. Let's see the chart menus. Open chart, custom index. Here we can create the custom index, that is select any script in this window. Now add the external data window to display OHLC. Go to the chart setting. In chart setting we have Main tab, Objects tab, and Tools tab. Open Main tab. Here we have options to select default time frame selection of chart, bar style, in which you can select bar, candle, line, alt types. Skin color, here we can select the color of chart background: black, dark gray, navy blue, blue-white, white. Chart drag mode. Show vertical grid, show horizontal grid, Y margin, axis type, cursor type, tracker color, tracker ball size. After this we have check boxes to visualize data on chart by selecting this check boxes of Show Data window. After Main tab we'll switch to the Object tab. Here we can set volume profile, option data highest open interest setting, 5 bid offer setting, show price gap and time gap setting. After Object setting we'll switch to Tools tab where we can set the tool settings. Here we can set the default tool name, common tools for period, auto snap, high, low, color of tool size, and shape. Also in tool setting we have Fibonacci levels, percentage levels, and extension levels of Fibonacci. User can set as per requirement. Let's see the sync management settings and how to use sync management in application. Let's see the chart synchronization. Here I already opened 3 charts in which the follow sync is set off I.E none. We can manage chart syncing on period change, script change, study change, bar count change using sync management. Set require sync group to all open charts. We can set maximum 3 types of sync factor. Let's tile open charts. To check script sync, load new script in the chart. All chart will update as per script sync setting. Here we see the chart bar synchronization. After chart bar synchronization, we'll see the study synchronization. Load study from study manager and observe the loaded study is applied on all chart. After chart synchronization, manager will go for auto skip of chart from specific group. Select any group from list and start the auto skip. In auto skip, when we select sync as none, it will open new chart every time. Also, we can run auto skip on single chart by keeping sync setting as last active or sync group name. Now open floating toolbar. Using floating toolbar we can change scripts. Also, next previous recent script we also can change period bar count, zoom in zoom out, chart tools, study manager opening. Now we see the analysis menu where we can analyze the reports of group report, script report, transaction cost setting, strategy analysis, strategy tuning and daily ADS. Open group chart and select any group from list. The report of group will displayed in window. Here we can select the time frame, i.e. daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, yearly. Similarly, we have script report for particular script. Here we can select the individual script. Here is the script report. After script report we have menu transaction cost setting. Here we can set the transaction cost which we paid as brokerage. Let's check the daily ADS. It is exchange-wise ADS values with 3D comparison of prices. Here also we can rotate the graph in 360 degrees. Using this we can visualize the trend of market in particular group. Enjoy the Fox EOD application.